Now if I will run this login part, reset this and run this, and you can see here now Blue Prism was trying to type the value in the staff number and password. There is some issue here in the login button because we took their global mouse click center, but we will have to take here. Let me fix that issue also. There is another way to click on this login button. Instead of taking this global mouse click center, we can take press. So press will directly click on this login button. It works in the background also, but if you will take here global mouse, it doesn't work in the background. It will take your mouse control. You have seen that time I was moving my mouse, so that's why it was not able to click on login. I can show you one more time here. Let me refresh this, launch this, and now let me keep this here, and you will see here currently I will keep my mouse this side, but it will try to capture this side here. It means it will take control. Now run this one, and my mouse is here, and now you can see here my mouse pointer is this side, because it was trying to click on this one, but still it is unable to click on login button because that is not visible. So what we can do to run this one, we have to do like this. Let me clear this and let me run this again, and now you will see it will work fine. Okay, so it is working fine, but if this application is in the background, then how will you be able to automate this? So I can show you one more thing here. What you can do, reset this, launch this first, and now double click on this navigate. Instead of taking global mouse click center, take here press. Now press OK. It means we are pressing our mouse left button on that one, so press, right? Now reset this, and now you will see here I am going to put this in the back end, and now run this. And you will see here now it has been logged in successfully.